In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your signed documents in DocuSign. If you need to quickly locate an agreement that has already been signed or completed, DocuSign makes that pretty straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the simplest way to find those documents, so you can access them faster the next time you need them. To begin, go to DocuSign and sign into your account. Once you're on the main home screen, take a moment to look around the dashboard. Right from this area, you can often see recent signed documents in the Agreement Activity section. This is a helpful shortcut if the document you're looking for was completed recently, because you may be able to spot it immediately without opening any additional pages. If you don't see the document there, or if you want to view a more complete list, go to the Agreement Activity area and click on Agreements. This will take you to the section where your documents are organized in more detail. It's the better option when you need to search through more than just the most recent activity. Once you open Agreements, all of your documents should be displayed in your inbox. This view gives you a broader list of the envelopes or agreements associated with your account. Depending on how many documents you have, it may include items in different statuses. So don't worry if the signed one isn't obvious right away. If you still can't find the document you need, use the filter option. Filtering is especially useful when your inbox contains drafts, sent items, pending agreements, and completed files all mixed together. To narrow the list, click Filter and choose the option for Completed. In DocuSign, completed documents are typically the ones that have been fully signed and finalized, so this is the fastest way to focus only on those finished agreements. After selecting Completed, click Apply. Once the filter is applied, the list will refresh and show only completed or signed documents. This makes it much easier to scan the results and find the exact file you need without distractions from other document statuses. At this point, you should be looking at a clean list of your signed documents. If needed, you can open the relevant agreement from here and continue with whatever you need to do next. And that's it. That's how to find your signed documents in DocuSign using the Recent Activity area or the Agreements page with the completed filter. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you locate your documents quickly and confidently.